The views and opinions expressed by the host do not necessarily state or reflect those of the hospital and its management. Furthermore, the views and opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host, the show, the management, and the hospital. Lastly, no copyright infringement intended. All materials used and music background credit to the owner for public service purposes only.
Ang VSMC Subnational Laboratory itala na sa mga masunod karong adlawng Biyernes petsa 25 sa Setyembre 2020. 586 ka samples ang test karong adlaw ug tinitanan gikan sa Central Visayas. Sa kinatibukan, 73,924 na ka samples ang test sukad sa pagsugod sa atong Subnational Laboratory. Sa 586, 9 niini ang positive ug 577 ang negative. Suma total, aduna nakitay 10,609 ka positive samples o 63,255 ka negative samples. 338 ka samples ang kasamtangang gadagan karon sa atong laboratorio. Pahinumdum lang sa tanan nga mga resulta base lang sa mga samples nga gitest. Ang Department of Health Regional Centers for Health Development ang mupagawas og detalyadong impormasyon mahitungod sa positibo o negatibong kaso. Daghang salamat.
Aniya na mga pinakaulahing balita kabahin sa COVID-19 dinhi sa atong tambalanan karong adlawng Biyernes petsa 25 sa Setyembre tuig 2020. Ang SOTO may rehistro na sa mga musunod. Sa kinatibukan, 1,189 na ang kumpirmadong kaso diri sa atong tambalanan. 477 niini ang nakarecover na. 375 na ang nakutloan o kinabuhi nga nagikan sa lain-lain nga lugar. Ug sa kasamtangan, aduna pay 30 ang padayong giatiman diri sa atong tambalanan ug 308 usab ang na-transfer sa mga atong mga isolation centers. For our bed utilization, VSMMC has a total regular bed capacity of 865 beds. And currently, our daily census is 561 patients, giving us a utilization rate of 64.9%. The expanded COVID-19 bed capacity is 185 beds, and currently we have 30 patients admitted. This gives us a utilization rate of 16.2%. The ICU bed capacity of VSMMC is 55 beds, and currently we have 15 patients admitted. This gives us a utilization rate of 27.3%. For COVID-19 ICU bed capacity, we have 24 beds and currently we have 8 patients admitted. This gives us a 33.3% utilization rate. Daghang salamat.
Good evening everyone. Good evening Dr. Helen.
Gabi.
Yeah, welcome to SOTO Live Reports. Sa adlong Biyernes, sa di pa nato ipakita o atong hisgutan ang atong usa ka importante kaayo nga selebrasyon karong adlaw. Ato sa kining ipadangat kaninyo ang atong mga reports diri sa ato ang tambalanan. A total of 1,746 cumulative COVID-19 SARS-CoV-2 cases with 375 deaths or CFR of 21.48% were recorded in VSMMC for the period March 11 to September 24, 2020. Ages of cases range from 1 day old to 92 years old, with a median of 39 years old, mostly affecting those between 31 to 40 years old or 20.90%. Most were females, which has 54.87%. Majority of the cases were from Cebu City, Cebu, 55%, followed by Mandawi City, which is 11.57%, the Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, which is 7.73%, Talisay City, Cebu, 5.38%, and Consolacion, Cebu, 2.86%. And the ages of mortality cases range from 1 day old to 91 years old, mostly affecting those between 61 and above years old and 42.13%, with a median age of 57 years old. Most of the cases were male, 60.27%. Thank you.
VSMMC also has a total of 308 healthcare workers with COVID-19 laboratory confirmed. So currently, we have 3 healthcare workers who are admitted with 1 severe, 1 moderate, and 1 mild COVID-19 pneumonia. A total of 298 healthcare workers have recovered from COVID-19 infection. So on the other side, VSMMC has been trying to propose College of Medicine between Cebu Normal University and Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center. And as of last update, the Regional Development Council of Central Visayas Region, Social Development Council, endorsed the proposal or the proposed Cebu Normal University Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center College of Medicine to the Commission on Higher Education. Cebu Normal University is a state-funded higher education institution and a recognized center of excellence in nursing education and teacher education, while the Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center is a state-owned general tertiary teaching and training medical facility. VSMMC and CNU have a consortium agreement to offer a 5-year double degree Doctor of Medicine program with Masters in Public Health Governance to poor but deserving students in Central Visayas who will be required to render 5 years return service in government facilities or health centers in rural areas. The establishment of the CNU VSMMC College of Medicine, the first state-funded higher education offering a Doctor of Medicine degree in Central Visayas, supports the Central Visayas Regional Development Plan of 2017 to 2020 strategy of accelerating human capital development by improving access to quality health care, as well as the Central Visayas Regional Recovery Program 2020 to 2022 strategy of improving the supply of human resources for health, especially in remote areas in the region. During its special meeting on September 8, 2020, the Regional Development Council Social Development Committee passed SDC Resolution Number 22, Series of 2020, recommending RDC full council endorsement of the proposed CNU VSMMC College of Medicine to the Commission on Higher Education Central Office for funding and to furnish a copy of the resolution to the Department of Health Central Office. So this was the endorsement of the proposed CNU VSMMC College of Medicine to the CHED Central Office for funding.
Yeah, so in addition to that, under the consortium agreement, the CNU will serve again as a degree-granting institution, which will also be responsible for the approval, monitoring, and evaluation of the academic policies, quality assurance in program implementation, and designing a program dean. And VSMMC, for its part, will handle the program implementation and other necessary operations, provide the teaching and non-teaching practitioners from the team of consultants, and also the physical plant and required facilities. So mao kana siya ang mga gipaabot, giampo sa atong mga katawhan ang usa ka CNU Cebu Normal University and VSMMC or Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center College of Medicine.
Yeah, so this will really address the lack of doctors in our rural areas. And we want to have transformative leaders in health governance with competencies in leadership and governance, health systems development, community ownership and participation, primary health care concepts, and research.
Right, kay sa tinuray no, makamo mga diha, mga nagtan-aw na to, no, atong stakeholders, sa karon nga panahon, sure ko, excited sad kayo mo pa-enroll o niya sa inyong mga anak. Labi na katong naa sa mga rural areas nga sa una, damgo lang ang eskwela sa medisina, pero karon na natay hope kay duol-duol na lang yun, duol-duol na lang, no? So we are still going to pray, looking forward for that, and
hoping and praying na madayon na gyud.
so kamong mga nagtan-aw karon, no, continue praying for the CNU VSMC College of Medicine. We are now going for the accreditation level na, no, on this sa sumaabot nga mga adlaw. So we are happy to provide you that news. Okay,
Yes.
Dr. Helen? So, at this point, sa Dr. Helen, we are, again, we would like to inform the public, no, ang publiko, nga karon is really a long week good celebration of our medical center chief. Kaysa usara man gyud na ka tuig once every year ang birthday good, no? So, karon atong gibuhat to really give also due recognition sa ato medical center chief or commander here in Vicente Soto, sulod sa pila ka buwan nga sigig atiman aning COVID-19. Karon ni balik-balik na ta sa tuwa mga, it's still a new normal condition, but at least nanata, hinahinay na ta ni balik, no? So we are going to present this some important greetings to our medical center chief. Okay? Gahapon na ata sa Soto natin to, karon na po yung mga bagong sets of videos. Okay? Kay daghan, di man masud sa usa ka episode. Kay ubay-ubay good, no? So this is the first video. Atong tanawon.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to an amazing person responsible for the quantum leap. Actually, not quantum leap, but gigantic leap of the SMMC from where it was to where it is right now and to where it will be in the future. Happy na mag-open ang ato ang BSMMC College of Medicine. Courtesy to the best efforts of Dr. Aquino. Thank you kayo, Doc. Truly, you have exemplified true civil servant who has unfortunately spent most of the time to your work rather than to yourself, but yet still able to balance work, family, and love life with your wife, of course, Doc. So, salamat kayo, Doc, sa imong tanan. I wish you and we wish you your best health and many more years with this institution. God bless you more. Enjoy your day. Doc, for purposes of this greeting lang, among kusbon gamay ang ato ang tagline nila kuha sa Soto. Dinhi sa Soto, kalidad nga serbisyo, Dr. Aquino ang among garbo. Happy birthday, Doc. Happy birthday to you.
Chaos Office! Happy birthday, Dr. Aquino!
Alright, mao kadto, no? Ato gitong gipanguluhan sa atong
Sa
Chief
admin.
Administrative Officer dinhi sa Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center. Walay lain ang ambungan nga si Attorney Paul Gino Lopez. Okay, so thank you Attorney Paul for that. Yan napag yung gisulti nga quantum leap. Yes, it is really a quantum leap, Dr. Helen.
From where we were and where we are going.
Right, o gipunan pagyud sa tagline sa Soto, no? Nga kalidad nga serbisyo, Dr. Aquino among garbo. Wow, very creative Attorney Paul Lopez and the team of the Chief Administrative Officer.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Another video.
Like it's your birthday. I wanna see
Alright. That was the office of Attorney Camille Amoroso. Alright, Attorney Camille Bono Amoroso of our legal team of Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center. No, sayo sila yan. Ikalit og message si Attorney Camille nga papuntahin kayo ni Dr. Aquino. Alright, that was also very creative, no? Thank you so much for that. The legal office. Next.
Happy birthday, Doc Aquino! Happy birthday, Doc!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Doc! Happy birthday, Dr. Aquino! Happy birthday, Doc Aquino!
Alright, thank you so much. That was from the Department of Pathology of the
in their actual
in their actual environment ug gipanguluhan kini sa atoan maabtik nga chairman of the Department of Pathology way lain kundi si Dr. Renette Ligaray of the VSMMC Sub-National Laboratory. Thank you so much, Dr. Ligaray and the team. Okay? Murag kuan kita no, what makes a hero?
Oo.
Wow, that was
Kasi
Madam Damin.
The laboratory itself has gone a long way
Correct,
since
correct.
the start of the pandemic.
Correct,
They
no?
really stepped up to the challenge.
Yeah, walay hunong og ato ang walkthrough og drive-through
Padayon pag yun.
mga ka-quarantine no, our stakeholders nagpadayon og in fact no, medyo traffic yun ang linya diha basta mabuntag kay puno
Sa
gyud
B.
atong
Rodriguez.
B. Rodriguez tungod sa ato ang drive-through, walkthrough sa swabbing, okay?
Yeah.
Next is from the engineering department. No?
Creative, no? So, parang Pasko na hindi lang yung birthday parang
Yeah.
Pasko. And
Actually,
you're
birthday
so
September
creative.
man god, no?
Oh.
So the beginning of Christmas.
Yeah.
So, it
parang
was like
napaka-creative nila
creative.
sa mga balloons.
Yeah.
Effort talaga, no? You can really see na the value that they put or that they give to Dr.
Yeah.
Aquino with the effort that they took para lang makabate.
Yeah, I love that no bisag puno pa kay ni siya sa mga trabaho karon no like the plumbing, electrical, the biomed, but then you gave time and it shows that you really love and also honor and value our father no in every organization. You know, always remember this that in leadership man God it's something that you will see worth emulating and then
Yes.
i-follow yun mo and then you get also influence from there.
And the performance of the whole team depends on the leadership.
Correct.
Yan.
And we have here watching always from Kiyot, Cebu City, Mary May, April Francisco. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw, ma'am. Continue sharing, Ma'am Mary May. And we also have here watching from Dipolog City,
Dipolog.
from Miss Herdina Gallegos. You can do your watch party, madam. And we also have here Gilbert Soleno. Good evening, everyone. Wow, thank you, sir. We also have our Adele Handy. Good evening, Attorney RC. Thank you, Adele. Alright, go lang. Mga abogado na ning bataa. Okay. Great evening, mga ka-quarantine from Jupi Girl Andaya. Thank you so much for that. Okay, our next greetings video. Okay, let's have this.
Wishes you a very happy birthday. May your years ahead be filled with abundance of blessings, peace, love, and merriment. Thank you for your great leadership and inspiration.
Happy birthday, Doc Aquino!
Wow.
Okay.
Din lagi ka, Dr. Helen.
Lumabas talaga sila para lang mag-greet.
That was from our PhilHealth, no? Thank you so much, our PhilHealth section, led by Ma'am Susan, no? Ma'am Susan, and also the engineering a while ago is led by Engineer Dingkong. So thank you so much for those very heartwarming videos og sa atong PhilHealth section nianing atong hospital. Daghang salamat. Okay, let's go to the next.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and let's start from tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dr. Aquino! We love you!
Property and supply, medyo nigawas good sila. Asa ka to
nag-field
Davita?
trip sila.
Nag-field
Sa
trip.
Ilog.
Yeah, that was really a show. Great love, no? Nga, nag-field trip kay Dr.
Siguro
Helen.
TikTok yan, ano? Yung happy birthday na everybody dances. Is
Yeah,
that
para siyang TikTok, Dok. So, wayion niya na siya, Dok. Masayaw ka, mag-greet ka. Muna sa Christmas song, no?
Yes,
So,
oo.
thank you so much for those greetings from the property and supply. Gipanguluhan kini ni Ma'am. Sama, Ma'am. Mira, Mamira.
Okay,
Cute, di ba? Hi, Mamira. Thanks for watching.
So,
Alright.
ko din si Ma'am Arlene Camello. Siya kasi yung partner ko.
Yeah,
when it comes
partner.
to
Si Mamira
donation.
Katibod, also our head of the
Thank
property.
you.
Daghan salamat, Mamira. Thank you and the team. Next is from kini, murag bugat-bugat gid ni, no? Akong nahibaw-an ani, it's medyo grabe ni gi-prepare. Usa ka tuig ni ang nga gi-prepare mga ka-quarantine. Ang sunod nato nga greetings para sa ato ang medical center chief.
Sobrang special.
Sobrang special. Anyway, my partner here will discuss to you further about this. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, from the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology.
Happy birthday, Dr. Aquino. Birthday, Dr. Aquino. Happy birthday, Dr. Aquino. Birthday, Dr. Aquino.
Joven here of the Love Project. To the VSMMC Medical Center Chief, Dr. Gerardo Aquino, a happy birthday to you from the Department of the Obstetrics and Gynecology. And they've asked me to dedicate this special song to a very special person. Yes, that's you. I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They're a mirror. I don't wanna talk about If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. If I stand all alone, will the shadows hide the colors of my heart? Blue for the tears, black for the nights. Fear the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They're a mirror. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. But if I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. This old heart. Happy birthday to you, Dr. Gerardo Aquino. Maraming salamat and God bless you always.
From the Obstetrics
that's-
and
yes.
Gynecology Department, Naji
That's
Pasinger.
John Joven, a Broadway artist,
Oh,
singer.
mao dito
Mr.
di ay
John
nga naay ko
Joven.
nito number, no? So
Yes.
very good, no? We have, what was the title of that song, Dr. Helen?
Through My Heart.
Through My Heart, di mo siguro Through My
I don't
Heart.
wanna talk about it.
I do wanna talk about
I
it. I
don't
don't. Og live sad na to diri pod karon nagtan-aw no way lain. Ang atong Chief Finance Officer, no? Our
Yes.
Finance Management Office Head.
Kaway naman dyan, Ma'am
Miss
Maureen.
Maul! Bien! Alright! Ano Miss Maul? Miss Maul, kaya para makita ang beauty! Alright!
Talaga pag nag-overtime.
Eh, dara, overtime. Naka-meeting pa na ha. Naka-meeting, naka-soto live, multitasking. Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Mau, for being around, no? And we have also this one from Dr. Suarez of the OB
Nettie
Department.
Suarez.
Alright. Tanaw na to rin kay nalimbot itong balibuan ni. Mayo kay ni.
So kung may John Joven from outside,
Nice,
meron
Celine
tayo
Dion.
homegrown.
Homegrown Celine Dion. Alright. Sige, atong tanahon.
This song is dedicated to Dr. Aquino. Happy birthday, Doc! We heard that you and your wife love this song. For you are to me all that a man should be, and I dedicate my life to you always. A love like yours is rare. It must have been sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. And like the sun, chasing all of the rain away. When you come around, you bring brighter days. You're the perfect one for me, and you forever will be, and I will love you so for always.
From the Obstetrics and Gynecologic Society of our hospital, we would like to greet you a very, very happy birthday.
Diba? Homegrown talent kayo to siya, Doc. Og napay pahabol pag yun, Doc, no? Napay mga, thank you so much, Dr. Suarez. Napay yung tagikan sa ato ang Karkar na Cebu Provincial Hospital, Karkar.
Dong Manubag, thank you.
Sa Karkar, mga Karkaranons, mayang gabi. Provincial Hospital, Karkar.
Okay.
O di ni magpawalahi ang atong Center for Behavioral Sciences, no? Diri sa Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center. Please watch this. Wow, that was the Center for Behavioral Sciences.
So you always have to remember that you have to invest in people who invest in you, no? So these are people who are just showing their love and appreciation and greeting Dr. Aquino a happy birthday in so many different ways.
Yeah,
They sing
even in
or
fact, diba,
dance.
gabi isa ato ang soto natin to. Grabe gito, nagbaha, no? Naglag gito. Almost ito mo 2 hours atong episode. O karon ato po ning gipadala ninyo diri sa atong Soto Live Reports. Og daghan kayong salamat. Ang atong Medical Center Chief si Dr. Gerardo Aquino nagpasalamaton kay in his message yesterday, ang iyaha lang gyud, it's thankful siya sa tanan ninyong suporta, no? Bisag siya nag-birthday siya, nagpa-thank you. Suporta sa pagsabot og sa pagkuyog sa ato ang journey with Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, all of us here in Soto, our Medical Center Chief, the celebrator, really felt the love and support. Og tungod ana Dr. Helen, di sa ka magpalupig. Kay naman tayo gitawag og talent sa no, and this is a song nga kining kantahon ni Dr. Helen is really the song that will really reflect and will really show to you the love that we feel here in Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center sa inyong tanan nga pagsabot og pagkuyog sa atong journey. Okay? So this is for all of you, para sa ato ang birthday celebrator, Dr. Gerardo M. Aquino Jr.
Laging handa.
Alright, medyo na. Okay. Wow. Wala ba yan mga kamay dyan?
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can be turned away.
An enchanting moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough to vagabonds believe the very best.
There's a time for everyone if they only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope moves us all in turn.
There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors when the heart of the star-crossed wonder beats in time with yours. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. O wala yun na itong damhan, no? That here in Soto, sa amin ang ginaingon ninyo, we feel your love for the institution, your love for our medical center chiefs, sulod sa usa ka semana nga selebrasyon dinhi sa ato ang hospital. Daghan king salamat sa pagkuyog dinhi sa atong tabalanan kanunay.
Salamat.
Daghan king salamat ug wala na to na mahibaw no nga
Yes.
naabot na good ang atong medical center chief diri sa ato ang command center. Please welcome Dr. Gerardo Aquino. Aquino, alright. Oh, dalaw. Dok, ato tanaw. Yeah. Hey, hello. O kuyo ga atong ambungan, katong gisulti na ganina, ang ambungan nga Chief Admin Officer. Thank you so much for those things sa tanan nga greetings, sa tanan ninyong gipaabot dinhi. Thank you so much. Gikan ni Jupi Girl Andaya. Happy birthday Dr. Gerardo Aquino. Alright. Napo din gikan sa Jeff Mahens, Department of Pathology. Happy birthday, Doc A.
May pag-birthday pa daw, sabi ni BJ.
Siyempre naman. Iba yun, no? Magaling ang duo. Okay. Para ra gito karon because tinuoray man sa gyud, no? The song really speaks for itself. Mao gito siya. We
so
feel
send your heart.
the love tonight sa tanan ninyo diha mga quarantine, sa tanan nga mga stakeholders nga padayon nga nagsuporta sa atong mga programa ni atong hospital. Alright, Dr. Helen? Do you have a pa-kicker for tonight?
Oh yeah, I have several. So we have to keep in mind, no, when we strive to become better than we are, everything around us becomes better too. No?
Wow, tanan nato better.
Yes, and that is why you don't build the healthcare system. You build people.
Yes.
And then people will build the healthcare system.
Right, I like that, no?
Oh, and lastly, no, it's not hard to make decisions. Kasi sa COVID, no, we had to make difficult decisions. But it's not hard to make difficult decisions when you know what your values are.
Wow, going back to values. Okay,
Yes.
sa ako po na Dr. Helen, it's simple lagi ako ha. It's always, the lessons given to us by our medical center chief.
Yes.
And that is to be kind always. Okay, once you are kind to people, and if some people will attack you, you don't need to protect yourself. You don't need to explain because these people that has influence na sa imong kinabuhi nga naka-learn na gikan nimo will be the one to protect you. Alright?
You
So,
can never go wrong with
you can never be wrong with kindness plus that humility plus contentment in life. This is really what GMA is telling us. Alright? So, daghan kayong salamat ug sa tanan yung pagkuyog sa birthday celebration karong simanaha. Daghan salamat gikan sa Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center. Right,
And
Dr.
we
Helen?
would like to thank everybody for this last episode of Soto Live Report.
The Soto Live Reports. O itong ipasabot sa katawhan. Ang Soto Live Reports is really meant for the COVID season.
Yes.
Kay tungod wala naman ang ato ang COVID season kay nga dili naman ina nakatag-as. We want to be more relevant sa inyong panginabuhi. Among idangit dala ipadanga gika padung sa inyo ha ang atong mga values dinhi sa hospital. Gitawag tanig mga public service values of Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center. At tangina ninyo mga quarantine, ang Soto Live Reports ato na siyang transform into a values-oriented program kay among ipakita ninyo ang atong mga core values diri nga nakita tangibles gikan sa ato ang mga gikan sa atong medical center chief, sa execom down sa tanan nga mga nagtrabaho niining atong hospital. So atangina ninyo sa third season sa Soto Live karong umaabot Oktubre. Okay?
And always watch party and
Watch party.
look at our social media platforms. We are official VSMMC on Facebook and Twitter and Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center on YouTube. And
Right.
if you want to send your photos and videos, you may email us at vsmmc_osm@yahoo.com.
Kami magpabilin sa pagserbisyo ninyo kay ngano Dr. Helen.
Kay
Dinhi
dinhi
sa
sa
Soto,
Soto,
kalidad nga serbisyo among garbo. Balik ko ito ng gisulti ni Dr. ni Attorney
Kalidad nga serbisyo, Dr.
Dr. Aquino among garbo. Yeah, thank you so much. Salamat, thank you.